Hey guys, it's Felicia. Welcome to the music section of Chungha's Stay Tonight dance tutorial. This is where we'll go 75, 90 in full speed. If you want the explanation where we take you step by step, go ahead and click up there. You know the drill. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much. And as per usual, don't forget this video is mirrored. And let's get started.
멈추지 않아도 돼 stay 더는 움직일 수 없도록 깊숙이 스며들어 stay with me tonight stay tonight tell me what you wanna do where we're stay tonight 멈추지 않아도 돼 stay 더는 움직일 수 없도록 깊숙이 스며들어 stay with me tonight stay tonight tell me what you wanna do where we're stay tonight 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 tell me what you wanna do 멈추지 않아도 돼 stay 더는 움직일 수 없도록 깊숙이 스며들어 stay with me tonight stay tonight tell me what you wanna do where we're stay tonight 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 tell me what you wanna do where we're stay tonight
Thank you so much for learning this dance tutorial with me. I'm really happy you guys danced with me the whole way through. And don't forget, I would love to see all your covers, so please tag me at felicia.covers if you post it on Instagram. All my other social media sites are in the description box below, my TikTok and Snapchat. Find me there. Quick plug, make sure you guys check out my second channel that I have. It's Felicia Vlogs. Link it there. I will be posting some of the behind the scenes or just random videos so you get to see more of my daily life. Alright you guys, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!